And Rayson Senor Cricket from the outside. And moving up is knockout babe Lian Junik alongside Bagong Silang. So Gorgeous on the outside. Diamond Quest Danori inside. And yes, Joey, Bagong Silang, Senor Cricket, knockout babe, Danori inside is Lian Junik. Yes, Joey is racing in peep from the outside, so Gorgeous, Diamond Quest, Military, Maidan on the inside, Tabaco, Lady Sutter, Lady Diamond, and racing from the outside, Warstar, while entry number 2, Farragut's Order is running in 13th. Number 10, Bagong Silang, Senor Cricket from the outside, knockout babe, Danori inside, so Gorgeous is racing in fourth, yes, Joey Military, my Danori inside, as they swing for home, knockout babe is now the leader, and on the outside is Senor Cricket, yes, Joey is running in the middle, by the rail is Military Might, and nearing the finish line, knockout babe from the outside, Senor Cricket, Military Might, but still knockout babe. Second, Military Might, Senor Cricket, yes, Joey, so Gorgeous, and for your super sa East, number 10, Bagong Silang.